Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Madam Excellence here. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, tantalizing, good looking, mouth-watering seafood okra soup. It has everything you can think of. Stick around, I'll show you how. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. So today the ingredients we are using, of course, we need a dry fish. It's seafood, Abby. It is dry fish we need. We need our Maggi cubes, nor cubes, bell peppers, our fish. I've already washed it with salt and vinegar, our okra, crayfish, and those are assorted seafoods. It has mussels, it has shrimps, it has squid, it has octopus, so octopus will not kill you. So it has all those things. And those are shrimps. I've peeled it off, and that's the palm oil we're going to be using. So first of all, we are going to be blending our okra. I'm not blending it. I'm just using a food processor. Okay, I will just have to blitz it a bit. Just halfway through. You see how it is. Not fully blended. And then I'll go ahead and blend our peppers. We have a bell peppers. We have a habanero peppers. We have Thai chili peppers. Blend them all together. So that okra, you divide it to very small parts. You will blend it very well. Then the other parts, you just blend it halfway through. The other parts will be the thickener. Okay? So in a hot pan, pour in your oil. We're going to fry our onions. When your onions have sweat a bit, we put in our pepper, our blended peppers. Stir it up a bit. Let it cook for about 2-3 minutes. Okay, and then we're going to be adding hot water. Okay guys, then go ahead and add in your nor cubes. This is the point you add your nor cubes. You add your salt. I added crayfish as well. I added half of the crayfish. Okay, and then go ahead and put in your fish gently. It must not scatter. Let it not scatter, beg. Put in your fresh fish. This is salmon fish, guys. This is salmon fish. You can use any other fish you want. And we're going to cover our pot, and we're going to bring it to a boil for about 3 to 5 minutes and gently take it out. Gently, jelly. Take it out kindly. And then when we are done taking it out, just set it aside. It's halfway cooked. It's not thoroughly cooked yet. It's just for 5 minutes I cooked it. And then you go ahead and add your remaining crayfish. Okay, guys. And then we're going to be putting in our dried fish. If you have stock fish, put it in. It's still seafood. And then this is our assorted seafood mix. It has shrimps, it has squid, it has mussels, everything. Scallops, that's the scallops I just put in right now. And then I'm putting in my large shrimps. Give it a good stir. Make sure that the salt, everything is on point. And then when you give it a good stir, now this is that other part of the okra. This is that other part. This is the other part of the okra, the blended one, and then you put in the other part, which was just slightly blended. Give it a good stir as well. You see how it's all coming together. You see the yumminess. You see the tantalizingness of this soup. Hey, guys, you just pair this with a very hot eba, or you pair it with a very hot semo or pounded yam. Yay, don't go be that. Give it a good stir. You're literally done. Just let it cook for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I tasted it. I needed a little more salt. And then go ahead, gently place your fresh fish inside. Don't overcook it. don't overcook this okra. And we are done. And that is it, guys. Doesn't this look delicious? Doesn't this look mouth-watery? Try this recipe out and leave a comment for me. Tell me, how did it go? Did you enjoy it? Did your family lick their hand? Did they scratch their plate? Did they empty their plate? Give me feedback, okay? And check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video in your community among your friends. Thank you so much. Bye. See you later. Bye.